Hello, Adam from Mapei Academy. A few updates for you. So we do the waterproofing course, we do the ceramic product line course, but the one I want to tell you about is the large format course, the most popular course that we have in the Academy. 19th of March, it's fast approaching limited spaces. So this course is aimed at people that are wanting to widen their knowledge. So it could be that you're fitting these sort of tiles at the moment and you want to know the ins and outs, the technical information. It could be that you're at that stage where you want to improve, you want to go to the next level. This is the next level. Okay, what to expect on the course? We will be doing the tile lifting with the frames, we'll be doing the cutting, the mitering, the drilling. We'll be looking to put the tiles on the walls with our ultralight adhesive. And finally, we'll be using our Epoxy Easy design. So if all that sounds good, why don't you book yourself on the course and join us at the Mapei Academy Training Centre. Click on the link below.